A single metal disappearing could quietly break entire industries. Because aluminum isn't just a material, it's the backbone of everything from cars to defense.
Okay, today we're going to talk about a massive shift that's happening in the global supply chain, and it's a big deal. We're seeing a huge, deliberate redirection of Canadian primary aluminum. We're talking brand new metal, not recycled scrap, away from the United States. And this isn't just any old material. It's the lifeblood for American aerospace, automotive, and defense industries.
To really get what's at stake here, just look at this quote from Warren Buffett. He nails it. Aluminum isn't just another commodity. It's the hidden connective tissue holding our entire manufacturing economy together. And when it suddenly disappears, it doesn't just hurt one industry, it threatens to pull them all down at once.
All right, so here's how we're going to break this all down. We'll start with how this crazy shift even happened. Then we'll get into why aluminum is called the everything metal and what this green aluminum trap is all about. From there, we'll see how Europe swooped in, look at the big economic lesson here, and finally ask the tough question. Are we watching a full-blown industrial unwinding? So first things first, let's talk about the sheer scale of this move. This wasn't some minor market correction, a little ripple. This was a rupture. A foundational piece of America's industrial supply chain was literally rerouted across the ocean. And the speed? Well, the speed is just shocking. Get this, in just 120 days, that's only 4 months, Canadian aluminum exports to the U.S. just cratered by 28%. Think about that. A supply chain that American factories have been built on for decades saw over a quarter of its flow just vanish. So what does that 28% actually mean? It means about 1.9 million metric tons of aluminum a year. That's all material that used to flow south to American factories. Now, it's flowing east to Europe. This isn't a future problem we need to worry about. The metal is already gone. So why is this such a crisis? Well, to get it, you have to realize that aluminum is, it's everywhere. It isn't some niche material for one little sector. When you lose it, you get immediate bottlenecks across the entire U.S. manufacturing landscape. I mean, we're talking about the body of every Boeing 787, the frame of the Ford F-150, just America.
Watch the full video on my channel. This is just the beginning.